Hi friends, so today we're gonna be asking what is the easiest medtech subject for first year? So we're here with.
Jasmine.
So what do you think is the easiest medtech subject for first year?
I think it's PMTP2.
Why do you think so?
Kasi like more on skills siya and parang mas magagamit mo siya in the future profession.
Wow, that's a really nice answer. You have anything to add?
Now,
Okay, next so here we have Julia, our block president. So what is the easiest medtech subject for you?
also, PMTP2 because same as sinabi ni Jasmine, it's more on the skills talaga and parang may enjoy mo talaga na yung katulad ng venipuncture, parang medtech ano talaga. So, parang hindi
Wow.
siya mahirap in terms of concepts because it's something you would do talaga in the future. Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. Because like, I feel like venipuncture is really necessary for us. Like, especially kapag first year ka, I feel like it's so hard to do venipuncture and like your skills just level up year by year. Okay? Next we
Yes.
have
I am Komi Ross of 2IMT.
yes. So what's your easiest medtech subject for you?
The easiest medtech subject for me is Anatomy and Physiology by the lecturer Ma'am Frida Z. Hapan. You know why? Because if you study Anafi and you get the foundation of the Anafi subject, in second year, you will not use it and you will use it at third year. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
What's my grade in Anafi? It's 2.999999993.
Thanks, guys. Bye. This is so funny. This might not even make the final cut, guys. But thank you for participating.
Join Scapa.
Join Scapa, guys. Join Scapa. Join MTS. Join MTS pala, sabi ni Joya.